So if you are looking to create a Tumblr wrap shop, I think now is the perfect time to build these type of Tumblr wrap designs, but also focus on a summer niche that can do extremely well, which is the fishing niche. In today's video, I'll share with you a very easy way for you to create these top trending designs right now on Etsy and how to build these products you can start selling as a Tumblr wrap design. I want to share this all with you coming up next. So the main platform that we're going to use today to create all of our designs with AI is Kittle. Kittle has a great system for you to create high quality designs for you to start selling on Etsy, and with their use of their new AI tool, this makes it extremely easy for you to create high quality designs you can start selling on Etsy. Now, Kittle has a lot of things that can help you sell well, just not creating these AI designs, but they have templates for all things like t-shirts, hoodies, posters, flyers, just to name a few things. And all of these templates can be integrated into your product as well. Again, this makes it really easy for you to not start from scratch, but to find helpful design styles and even text styles you can use on your Etsy design. Now, if you want to get started with Kittle yourself, they will give my audience a discount code down below. If you do want to get access, simply check out my link down below and utilize my promo code, as that would give you a discount for the pro as well as the expert version when you are starting to use Kittle. So there are a lot of Tumblr wrap designs that are selling well, and I want to share with you in this video how easy it is for you to create these type of Tumblr wrap designs you can start creating and selling right now on Etsy. And specifically for the summertime and fishing niche, I think it's a great way for you to get started if you are looking to get into this space of selling these type of products. Now, the first thing we definitely want to do is jump over into Etsy and actually find the best-selling products. And all the thing you have to do here is simply search up fishing Tumblr wrap. And what I specifically look for are these bestseller badges or popular nows. These are letting me know that these products are selling extremely well. And if they have a bestsellers badge now, they're only going to increase as time move on. So I definitely want to do my product research before I start grabbing designs that I can recreate and design myself. Now, inside of my membership community, I do offer something called the niche finder, which makes it really easy for you to find all of the top selling niches on Etsy, but also to get link and access to all of the best selling products on Etsy for that specific niche. For instance, if we're selling a Tumblr wrap and we want to focus on maybe a specific hobby or interest, we'll head over into the hobby and interest area where you see I have 10 niches available for us. But with these niches, I can simply click on this and it'll send me straight to Etsy, showing me all of the best selling products, just filtering out those products that are selling well. So if I do want to do fishing niche here, I can head over to fishing and you can see it's showing me nothing but bestsellers and popular nouns. Not only can you find niches that are selling well, but it will give you only the best selling products. Whatever you see here is exactly the type of style you need to learn from and design for yourself. So same thing if I were to jump over to the gardening niche for the Tumblr wrap, you can see here that all things on here is related to, in some ways, a gardener is bringing in flowers, but every single thing on this list is tied to a popular noun or best-selling product. And the niche finder really speeds up the entire process for you to actually understand, number one, what niche you need to start creating for, but also what best-selling products you should start creating for as well. So this is definitely a game changer if you're trying to find products you can start creating and selling yourself. And this is going to be the main factor when we are creating designs, because we want to create designs that are proven to make sales. So that being said, let's look at some best-selling products, and I'll share with you an easy way for you to find the creative prompt you can use yourself when you're utilizing Kittle's AI to create these Tumblr wrap designs. So here are some products we have found to do extremely well, again, just for the summertime niche. And we are going to focus on selling this type of product here with the American flag in the background. And fishing niche, so we're definitely going to incorporate this one as well, that has the deer in the background in the bass fish jumping out of it. Again, best-selling product here. We can start creating this as well. And then we have this one here where we just have the bass jumping out of the lake. All these are best-selling products. All these can do extremely well. The Tumblr wrap designs, we definitely want to incorporate these into our listing. Now, the good thing about this is that we don't have to create this prompt on our own. We are going to utilize the Creative Prompt AI tool within our membership to make it easy for us to grab the mockups and find the creative prompt. And essentially how this works is that you can upload any mock-up image from Amazon or Etsy or even Pinterest. And when you upload that mock-up image, a creative prompt AI tool will analyze the image and it will see the style, the text, the colors, and the overall composition of the design, not the t-shirt or not the tumbler, just the design itself. And then it will give us a creative prompt we can use for our AI designs that we can get something similar to what we have in our mock-up photo. So with that being said, let's go ahead and copy these images here, and we're going to plug them into our creative prompt tool where we are able to bulk upload up to 10 images at the same time, and we're going to get 10 creative prompts at the same time. Now today we'll just stick with 3, but we do have the option to do this in bulk. So now we're just going to copy this image here and we're going to paste it to our tool, hover over paste, and for PC we're going to select Control V and we're going to paste that image there. Same thing for this image here, back in our creative prompt tool, and then we're going to grab this image here, copy to just a mock-up image, and then plug this over into our creative AI tool. And again, we have up to 10 spaces, but just for today's video we'll leave it where it is. We're going to hit generate description, and what this is going to do is it is going to give us a creative prompt for all of the mock-up images we have for our designs. So now we have a creative prompt for all of these designs here. If we do want to change them up, we can go into edit and make some changes. Like this one here, it has a text that says download. We don't want that in there, so we'll just go ahead and erase that. Hit save, and this one's gonna be cutting off, and we'll end it right here, and then we'll hit save, and then we're gonna go ahead and hit copy. We're gonna jump into Kittle. We're going to go into new project because we want to set our project to be the proper size for the canvas that we have. And so the canvas that we're going to work with today is going to be in inches, and it's going to be 9.3 by 8.2 inches, and we're just going to set this to be 300 dpi. And now we have our canvas here, and one of the things I like to do before I even get started is to duplicate my artboard. So I'm duplicating my artboard just to showcase 3 artboards here because we're creating 3 designs. So I have artboard 1, and I like to go ahead and put D1 just to be design 1, and then same thing for artboard 2, D2 for design 2, and then we're going to put D3 for design 3. And those are the things that I like to change just to make it easier for me to do all of my designs. Now I jump over into Kittle AI, which is the bottom portion here, and then I'm going to use their generate image feature. And for this particular design here, I'm going to use DALL-E 3. I'm going to go ahead and paste the first prompt we have here. And again, it's not going to give us the same design, but it's going to give us a variation, and it's definitely going to get us a whole lot closer than what we could have done on ourselves just typing this out trying to describe what we see. I like to choose the watercolor style just for it to be a little bit easier for these Tumblr wraps to match up from edge to edge. We'll go ahead and hit generate, and we'll see what we gather as a result. So I think that came out well, especially us selecting this to be a watercolor style design. Again, it's definitely going to bring in the white background here. If we do want a different style, we can keep the prompt and go into Kittle and change it based upon all the options in regards to clip art styles that they have here. Again, what could also work well for this type of design is digital art, but I like to stick with watercolor. But again, I think this is a huge win in regards to trying to create a similar design that can sell well. And so this is all good to go here. If we do want to see what this looked like as a preview, we can head over to mockup here. Just select this image, and then it'll open up Kittle's mockup feature. And I can simply put Tumbler wrap just to see what this will look like once it's on a wrap. And then I can open this up, make this a little bit larger, and as you can see, that looks amazing once it is printed out on a Tumbler wrap. So I think this is great, and as you can see, that came out extremely well. And even though we have that white background, I still think that came out extremely well, bring in all of those watercolor designs. And again, this is just an easy way for you to grab these prompts to identify what type of design styles you need, plug this into Kittle, and definitely get some great results. And of course, we can always run the same prompt again and use different styles to see what we get. But I think this is a great way for you to create your Tumbler designs. I'm going to hit copy to this as well. And again, it's going to give us a variation. We're going to stick here with DALL-E 3. This time, let's switch it up a little bit here. Let's go to the digital art style and let's see what we get as a result. All right, as you can see, I think this came out extremely well. Again, we use that digital art style that gave us a different type of vibe with our design, but it still brought in the bass fishing jumping out of the water. It still brought in that American flag in the background and a darker style image, and I think all that came out well. But again, if you do select a different clip art style, you're going to get a different design, still following the theme, but definitely a different style of design. And as you can see, that came out well. Also, again, brought in a different type of vibe or theme, but still brought in the American flag, still brought in the bass jumping out of the water, still brought in those colors, and I think that came out extremely well. Again, if we want to look at this in regards to a Tumblr wrap mock-up on Kittle, we can see this as well. To select this image here, again, we can see how this will look once it is printed out for the customer. And again, we can sell these as digital Tumblr wraps, but as you can see, I think that came out extremely well for our design. And again, a huge win in regards to finding these prompts very easy with our creative prompt AI tool, and then going into Kittle and just simply uploading this. Again, that saves us a lot of time when we are trying to create these products. And let's head over to our third image here. I think this would be perfect for the summertime. Another bass fishing product here, different style, but let's go ahead and add this to our designs that we've made. So we'll jump back into editor here. We have all these designs made. So design 1 made here, design 2 made, and then we'll jump back in here into Kittle, and then we can do the same thing here. And then we'll select watercolor for this as well. We hit generate image, and we'll see what we get as a result. And as you can see, that came out extremely well also. So we just created 3 top trending fishing Tumblr wraps that can sell extremely well in the summertime. Again, we can go to mockup, see how this will look in regards to preview, head back over to Kittle, head back over to the wraps as well. Again, there's a lot of options you can choose as well if you do want to see this in real time, how this will look. And again, I think that came out extremely well. So again, definitely easy to do with Kittle. Definitely easy for you to find these top trending designs. Again, going into the niche finder in our membership, or just finding best-selling products in the fishing niche in general, and then grabbing that creative AI prompt tool to help you find those amazing prompts you can start using on your products. And as you can see here, it definitely didn't give us the exact design. AI is never going to give us the same design twice, but it did give us some great variations of these type of designs we can start selling ourselves. The bulk feature, we can create up to 10 different prompts at the same time, and this saves you so much time when you're trying to create these top trending products. You can start creating and selling right now on Etsy. And if you do want to get access to my 10 summer AI prompts for Etsy designs, simply put in the comment section below the word summer, and I'll be happy to send this guide over to you, where I share with you all of the top summer prompts and trends you can start using today on your Etsy shop. So if you want to get access to all of these prompts here, again, simply put in the comment section below the word summer, and I'll make sure I send you this guide to this top summer prompts you can use on your Etsy product. And check out this next video here, where I share with you an easy way for you to create multiple AI prompts and even remix those prompts to make even better designs. Click this next video here and subscribe to my channel to learn more about how to make income online with Etsy. As always, my friends, my name is Jay, and I will see you in the next video.